What if I told you about a credit union that lets you check your approval odds before committing to a hard inquiry? Most credit unions make you apply first with a hard inquiry. Then you find out the rate, the limit, and the decision. This credit union takes a different approach with its soft pull pre-qualification process. And depending on the product, the opportunity can include personal loans up to $30,000, credit cards, personal line of credit, and a business credit card with limits up to $50,000. But there's an important thing. This is not a guaranteed approval for everybody. Today, I'll show you how the soft pull works and how to use it to your advantage. And stay until the end because I'll show you who's actually eligible for the business products. All right, guys, let's get to it. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Marvin Smith, and today we're talking about Nassau Federal Credit Union. A soft credit inquiry is generally used to estimate the credit limit without creating the same score impact as a hard inquiry. That means you may be able to explore other options first. You can see whether a personal loan or another product makes sense before submitting a full application. Guys, you don't realize how powerful that is because you're not blindly applying everywhere. You're gathering information. Please don't confuse a pre-qualification soft pull with a final approval. Nassau Federal Credit Union can still review your income, debt, credit history, member status, documentation, and other requirements before making a final decision. The goal is not to chase every offer. You know, I get people that DM me every day about, Marvin, what do I try next? The goal is to make a smarter application decision. Take notes on the steps that I'm about to give you now, guys. Step 1 is confirming that you can become a member of Nassau Federal Credit Union. All right, before you start entering loan information, visit the membership section and review the current eligibility option. This matters because a credit union is not exactly the same as a traditional bank. You may need to meet a membership requirement before assessing certain products. Don't assume that seeing the soft pull option means that every product is automatically available to you. Membership eligibility and product eligibility are two separate things. So make sure you ask first or even give them a call. So you're wondering, can I join? The answer is yes. Anyone can join through the National Space Society for only $10. Then you're probably thinking, which products can I assess after joining? Look, depending on your situation, this can be different for everybody. And once that's clear, you can move to the product that you actually need. Look, if you're trying to build a relationship, I would tell you right away, like I do in all my videos, set up a checking account and set up a direct deposit. Let them know that you're really ready to set up a whole relationship with them. Then I would apply for a credit card or maybe a personal loan. All right, step 2 is choosing the correct funding lane. Don't begin by saying, hey, I just want the biggest limit they talked about in the video. Begin by identifying the purpose of why you need the funding. Are you trying to consolidate or make a major purchase? Then their personal loan, look, it was named Best Personal Loan by Investopedia. If you want a personal loan, realize with them is no collateral, low minimum payments, up to $30,000 and terms up to 84 months. Then, guys, they also have 5 personal credit cards. Let's start with the Visa Platinum Advantage Rewards card. All right, it's 1-to-1, guys. What that means, you earn 1 point for every dollar you spend on purchases. No extra fees. I'm talking about no annual fee, no balance transfer fee. That's huge if you're trying to transfer a balance. And no foreign transaction fees if you travel a lot. Rates as low as 12.9% APR and as low as 8.9 APR for the life of balance transfers. That's huge if you want to consolidate debt. All right, next up, guys, we have the Visa Platinum Cash Rewards card. With this card, you get unlimited cash back where you can earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase you make. All right, they have flexible redemption options. Use your cash back benefit to make deposits, pay down balances, or redeem gift cards. And also, they got no extra fees, no balance transfer fees, and no foreign transaction fees. Now, if you just want a low rate card where you don't want the rate to fluctuate, look at getting their Visa Classic low rate card. All right, they got a fixed rate as low as 12.4% APR and 8.9% APR on the life of balance transfers. Once again, no extra fees as far as no foreign transaction fees. And next up, for all the space fanatics, They have a SpaceX credit card. Look, earn rewards on each dollar you spend, earn points on all the purchases. No fee balance transfers, 8.9% on the life of all balance transfers. And lastly, they have the National Space Society credit card. It's designed specifically for space enthusiasts. Look, you can earn points on every purchase, plus earn points at selected in-store and online merchants. Once again, if you do a balance transfer, 8.9% for the life of the balance transfer. And think about this, guys. The best product is not always the one with the highest advertised limit. It's the one that matches what you actually need for funding. And now let's move on to step 3. Step 3 is starting the pre-qualification process or rate check process when available. You will typically provide basic information so the credit union can estimate your potential approval. That information may include identity, income, housing details, requested amount, and the purpose of the funding. Look, make sure you do this, guys, because a lot of people make mistakes. Enter everything accurately. They will most likely pull your Experian report. For all my credit nerds in the comments, they're gonna pull Experian, so write that down. And Nassau Federal Credit Union lineup includes also auto loans, mortgages, and equity-related products. Let me go over the loan application process for auto loans right quick. So the first thing you do, they're gonna check your rate. So you'll complete the online application and get your rate in less than 2 minutes. Get pre-approved and receive a decision quickly, and then you can go shop for a car with confidence. Number 3, you're going to submit documents if they ask for any. They may ask for proof of income. They may ask for a lease or your residency. And of course, they're going to want the vehicle details like the VIN number and the make and model. Number 4, the loan review. Their specialists will verify your information and finalize your loan terms. And lastly, you're going to receive your funds to complete your vehicle purchase or refinance. All right, guys, the auto loan terms go up to 84 months and the limits of the car you can purchase up to $125,000. Look, do not inflate your income. Do not choose a product simply because the advertised maximum, it looks attractive. Look, the system is designed to give you an initial indication. And remember, guys, the result can depend on your specific product and your credit profile. A personal loan pre-qualification does not automatically tell you whether you qualify for just any product. You have to look at what you're going to purchase or what you're going to refinance. Look, it's product by product is the correct way to evaluate this opportunity. Now, step number 4 is reviewing the result of the soft pull. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road. Don't look at the maximum amount. Look at the estimated rate. Look at the payment. Look at your term and look at where you are overall. Then ask yourself whether the payment fits your real cash flow and your lifestyle. Just because it's a $30,000 personal loan, that can sound super exciting and make you happy because you got approved, but the monthly payment still has to work, guys, because you got to make it to the end of that term. The same applies to a credit card or a line of credit. Available credit is not the same thing as free money. So I don't want anybody thinking I'm encouraging you just to go in debt just to do it. I want you to use your credit as a financial tool. Use it for a defined purpose, whatever you're applying for, and understand the repayment plan before accepting anything, because the win is not simply getting approved. The win is using the approval without damaging your credit report and hopefully raising your credit score. Step number 5 is deciding whether to move forward with the full application. This is where a lot of people make mistakes. They see a potential offer and they immediately submit applications all over the place. They're like, I'm gonna go from one credit union to the next. And you know what can happen, guys? That can create unnecessary inquiries, unnecessary debt, and unnecessary confusion. Instead, compare the estimated terms with your funding plan. If the offer does not match your needs, then hold up a second. If the payment is too high, wait. If you don't understand the terms, make a call and ask them before you sign anything. The soft pull process gives you the information. Now it's up to you to use that information before making a final commitment. And understand this clearly. Final approval may require additional documentation and a separate credit decision. The goal is controlled access. not carrying a balance simply because the limit is available. Now we get to the part many business owners are going to care about. You guys are going to love this part. Nassau Federal Credit Union lists business services that can include business credit cards, a business financing solution. The business products do not offer a soft pull pre-qualification. I want to make sure you guys understand that. But this is where eligibility language becomes extremely important. The business product is not simply, hey, apply from any state and receive $50,000. The business must meet credit union requirements. The industry must be approved, and the business must be located and operating within Maryland, Virginia, and the District of Columbia. But let me give you guys a pro tip. You may be able to foreign incorporate to take advantage of these products. If your business is outside of their footprint, do not assume this specific business opportunity applies to you. The approved industry requirement means your business category matters. It may even mean that your NAICS code matters, what type of business you are. And before you apply, confirm that your industry is eligible by calling the credit union. We got the number right on the screen. And make sure the business information is consistent across your formation documents. We're talking about your address at the Secretary of State, your business credit profile, your business bank account, your website. You have the appropriate licenses, and make sure, most of all, that your application is consistent. If the credit union asks about revenue, time in business, ownership, and business purpose, answer everything accurately, guys. And if you're trying to build business credit, they only have one business credit card, and it's called the Nassau Federal Business Visa Platinum Advantage Rewards Credit Card. Now, with each credit card transaction, for every dollar spent, you get 1 point. You get cashback rewards for every purchase, and the credit line goes up to $50,000. We're talking about a competitive variable rate and no annual fee. Don't just create a business simply to pursue a credit limit. I hear a lot of people call me or inbox me with stuff like that. And don't misrepresent what your company actually does. Look, a strong funding credit profile is built on consistency. So make sure you have everything accurate. Your business name, your address, your industry, ownership, and financial information should tell the same story. Look, the $50,000 opportunity is only useful if your business actually qualifies for it. So here's the strategy, guys. Make sure you write this part down. Don't begin with how much can I get? Begin with what funding sequence makes sense for me and my business. You may want to start by checking your personal eligibility through the soft pull process, because normally you can do what we call double dip. You can, if you get approved on the personal side, more than likely you should get approved on the business side. Then you evaluate the personal loan, the credit card, or the line of credit based on the purpose that you need the money for a certain reason. Look, if you're pursuing business funding, you separately confirm your business membership, industry eligibility, location, business documentation, and your ability to repay. This is how you avoid random application stacking. Look, always remember, guys, we say this in all our videos. Relationship, relationship, relationship. That is the key. Joining the credit union should be a good fit for you. It is a potential relationship that can make sense on both your personal side and your business side. Now, let me switch gears for a second. If you're in the 700 club, meaning you have a 700 plus FICO score and you have a serious business funding goal, this is where strategy becomes super important. You need to know which application comes first. You need to know which product matches your profile. You need to know whether your business meets the location and the industry requirements. And you need to understand how personal and business credit fit together in a larger plan. And that is exactly what we cover in our business strategy call. We don't want you going out applying blindly when you can get a clear sequence that can help you make better decisions. Building a fundable business is the bigger conversation. So guys, remember this. I need you to go back and watch our video on July 26th, where we can continue this conversation with a business overview. And if you're still building your personal profile, use this NASA Federal Credit Union process as an information gathering step, not like it's got to be some kind of guarantee for you. The more clearly you understand the rules, the fewer expensive mistakes you make. Now, Money Magnets, comment ready if you want the full business breakdown on Nassau Federal Credit Union in a future video. And I need you guys to tell me one thing. Are you more interested in the personal loan, the credit card, the line of credit, or the business products? Let me know in the comments, guys. And always make sure, do your research, know your numbers, use credit as a tool, not as a crutch. Look, if you want to know more about how to build your business credit profile up to $5 million in business funding, check out this video on the screen right here, and I'll see you over there. And remember, let's get to the money.
And we're here to help empower your finances.